Welcome to Engineering Tools. I'm going to demo for you today Shell Property and Offset Wizard. So what this tool will do is help you avoid some of the tedium of setting shell properties and offsets to a solid. So let me get started. I'll import a solid here. Here's a solid, and it's got lots of different thicknesses and steps and everything for this demo. I'll bring in a mesh. So this is an orphan mesh since it was just a BDF. And let's see. So this is, I guess, say an OML mesh. It could have just as easily been a mid-surface mesh. And the goal of this script will be to set all of these thicknesses and offsets such that it matches the solid or is a close approximation thereof. So you can see on this initial mesh that I have 0 thickness set. There's no corner thicknesses or anything you can see here. So, so we'll run the tool. And it gives you a couple options. So you can set the thickness, set the offset, and it gives you an input box for precision. So precision is basically the number of decimal places. So choose something appropriate for your model and your length unit, whether it's inches or millimeters or whatever. So I have 4 decimal places. This model is in inches. And so next it's going to prompt me for elements. I'm just going to select all. And next, it would, if I have more than one solid or more than one material, it will prompt me to select which solid or solids and material I want to use. This model only has the one material and one solid, so it won't prompt me because there's only one to choose from. So now it's going to loop through and it's going to assign. It's going to search the solid for the face pair and then assign a thickness and an offset to the element. Now as it goes through, you can see it's creating a bunch of properties, different properties here that are essentially the same. At the end, it will go through and consolidate them and sort them, so we'll have a nice manageable list of properties in various buckets for the thicknesses. So it's nearly done here. We'll let it continue to run. So there we go. So you can see it's done and it consolidated them. Looks really good matching. So the script worked well. You could see though that it did take a minute to run. Well, 50 seconds. So depending on your mesh and your part, it can take some time. What I find I do in practice is I use one of the companion tools, and it's copy, shell, offset, and prop. So what this will do is basically it's essentially a copy paste. So I'll say I want to copy this element and I want to paste it here. So what I find I do in practice is I'll say do the shell property and offset wizard for say a single element in this region, and then I'll copy paste them for the rest of that region. I find that to be the most efficient way. But like I said again, it depends on your workflow and the particulars of the problem you're working. So thanks for watching. Hope this tool really helps you out.